Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Sarif Zulkifli. Di sini saya akan melanjutkan praktikum etika hacker, yaitu di 51.16 on pet attack with ettercap. So there's topology. The objective is 3: launch ettercap and explore its capabilities. Perform on pet MATM attack. Use Wireshark to observe the ARP spoofing attack. There's a background scenario and required resource is Kali VM. Instruction part 1 is launch ettercap and explore its capabilities. And ettercap is used to perform on-pad MATM attacks. The goal of on-pad attack is intercept traffic between devices to obtain information that can be used to impersonate the target or to alter data being transmitted. The attacker is situated between two communicating hosts. In on-pad attacks, the hacker doesn't need to compromise the target device, but you just sniff a traffic passing back and forth between the target and destination. So, set up an ARP spoofing attack. In this attack, you will use ARP spoofing to redirect traffic on the local virtual network to your Kali Linux system. ARP spoofing is often used to impersonate the default gateway router to capture all traffic entering or leaving the local IP network. Because your lab environment is an internal virtual network, instead of spoofing default gateway, you will use ARP spoofing. Load Kali Linux and we will use this SSH -l lab user ini user ya, lab user 106623. Oke, kali kita bakal quit ini close. Ini kita copy. Cisco. Nah, ini kita udah masuk ke lab user. Lalu karena kita itu membuat on-pad attack yang gunain ARP spoofing, kita bakal memonitoring ARP mapping in the victim host. The attack will cause change to those mapping. Use command ipneighbor. Ini visible. Kita bakal zoom in. Oh, Cisco 123. Cisco 123. CISC. balik ke ini. Waduh, apa ini? Harus terganti. Wow. Oke, kita bakal skip karena ini zoom ini nggak bisa. Jadi ARP min A. How many entries that are there in the current ARP page? There will be more one for the 10.1 kali instance that it is the attacker machine. What the attacker cap? Tidak masih seperti itu. Nah ini attacker cap min H. Lalu apa compare? How many user interface available for the attacker? What are the offset used to specify user interface? User interface 1, 2, 3, 4. In this part, you will use the GUI interface to access Ethercap, the start Ethercap ketika plus graphical user interface using Ethercap Minji. Wow. Data GUI opens in the new window. We are sniffing traffic on internal virtual network. The default setup is to scan using interface Ethernet 0. Change the sniffing interface to bare internal. Which the interface that is configured virtual network by changing the value set to primary interface. Setup very. Click the checkbox icon on top right. A message appeared on the bottom of the screen. Interface window in the sniffing started. Nih, turning on ini. Terus ini ada 34 plugin dan juga sampai bawah. In the Ethercap window, open the host list window by clicking the Ethercap menu, 3 dots icon. Lalu kita pilih host and host list. Klik di scan for host list. Scan for host. Nah ini. How many hosts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. 36. I don't know why there is 5, but there is 6. Yeah, 6 hosts added. Define the source list. Destination device for the attack. To do so, click the IP 10.6.6.3. In the window, to highlight the target user host, click the target 1. After that, this define user host as target 1. Click the IP address 10.6.13. Set the target 2. Any IP MAC address specified as target 1 will have all traffic deferred through the attacking computer that is running Ethercap. In this lab, in the attacking computer in the Kali Linux machine, all other computer on the subnet other than the target will communicate normally. Click the METM icon on the menu bar, the first circular icon on top right. Positioning, verify the sniff remote. Okay. And then exploit the start system. If sniffing does not start immediately, click the start option play button at the left in the top menu. Udah mulai ya. Ini positioning victim. Perform an ARP spoofing attack, and we will ping this. Kita harus ini dari internal. Kita bakal cek di sini pingnya. Ya. Setelah itu use the IP network. Bisa. Part 1 step 1. Sudah Ethercap manager. Kalau there is 0606 kalau di different. What is strange about this? MAC address are supposed to be globally unique, so it's strange that two devices have the same MAC address. So what is the effect of this change? Packet that are sent to the LAN 9613 will be received by both the intent host and the Kali VM attacker. Close the ethercap, graphical user interface, leave the SSL connection active. Close this. After that, use Wireshark, ping. After ping, we can see the IP network. There is a two IP address with 10.611 dan 10.613. Itu memiliki MAC address yang hampir sama, yaitu di ujungnya 0B dan 0D. Kita lihat. Ping, okay. And we can see the MAC address on 10.623. To define MAC address, go to the highest IP address command. The ethercap intake command runs ethercap in text mode. Yeah, information. We can use the sudo ethercap versi text, itu dengan mengetikkan target dengan manual, yaitu sudo ethercap option ini mungkin jenis serangannya interface itu, interface-nya, berarti itu file name-nya, ini file name-nya ARP ARP1. ARP ini digunain untuk seperti yang tadi sebelumnya, yang di sebelumnya itu target 1 dan target 2, target 1 dan target 2 lewat dari etacap yang versi GUI. Nah itu kita masukin MAC-nya atau IP-nya mungkin. So the user text in the interface run the command quiet mode specify the sniffing attack. Network interface write ini web backup untuk menjadi backup file, and emitter RP ini di terminal dulu kita. Nah ini kita bakal coba jalan ini ya, ini begini. Bakal tulis host return key. Oke, kita bakal paste ini sini. Lalu sudah seperti ini kan, sama terminal session. Kita bakal balik ke di SSH, jalanin ping 611 lalu yang 13, lalu cek yang IP network. Nah ini MAC address sekarang berubah, yang 11 itu masih yang 006A0B, namun yang 13 itu berubah menjadi 769A. Interest with IP address SMS you record inserted no 13 is changing. SSM MAC access 1. So close the SSH terminalization, running intercap, text model, quit. Open Wireshark to save the pcap file, review the MAC address and interface group. Jalanin, coba kita lihat. The intercap attack is computer first broadcast ARP because to obtain actual MAC address for the two target hosts 1063 dan 1016. The attacking machine then begin to send the ARP response to both target hosts using its own MAC or both IP address. Discuss the two target hosts to address the Ethernet frames to the attack computer, which enable to collect data on pad attacker. Because executing intercap attack bila getting semi-IP network target system. Because the RP protocol uses layer 2 broadcast and obtain the destination MAC associated with the target IP address, broadcast, and layer 2 RP information are not forward beyond the local network. Nah, jadi di sini udah ada tampilan websitenya di set pcap. Ini lognya, seperti lognya. Lalu kita sudah sampai akhir. Mungkin sampai segini saja untuk Pratikum 5116. Saya akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.